In this video, I have a 1999 Toyota Camry, and I'm going to show you how to remove the driver's side front tire. First step, chalk your tires and get a jack and a jack stand. You probably need a low profile jack. I have a floor jack, and you're going to elevate the vehicle on its jack point, which is the subframe bar just beneath the driver's seat. If you look, you'll notice that there is a couple layers of metal right here, so it's reinforced, so that's where you want to elevate the vehicle, and then go ahead and put your jack stand right behind it, put the weight of the vehicle on the jack stand, and then prime that jack back up so that you have the weight evenly distributed between 2 points. You want to have redundancy whenever you're working on a vehicle. In case something slips, you have a backup. On the tire itself, you have 5 lug nuts. If they're really tight, you need to loosen them before you elevate the vehicle off of the ground. That way it's not jostling the vehicle around. You're going to remove them with your lug nut wrench. It is 21 millimeters. So let's get that going. And then once you have all of your lug nuts off, you can go ahead and grab the tire and lift it off of the bolts. And that's how you remove your tire from a 1999 Toyota Camry. Hope that was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.